Hello everyone, welcome to Merifee.com. This video will explain you how to advertise on Merifee.com. Merifee.com is cost per lead acquisition channel. So to advertise on Merifee.com, you can click on this link on the top of the page which says advertise, and here you see that there's an option to advertise. You can see the number of leads you have collected, you can see the transaction history, and you can make the payment. So if you see right now, view leads, there are no leads. If you see the transactions, there are no transactions. So we start with advertise. So this is where we start. In short, it explains how this thing works. So to advertise on Merifee.com, the minimum condition is that you provide at least 25% discount on your MRP to our end users. If you don't do that, then sorry, you cannot advertise on Merifee.com. What we want to do here is we want to make a win-win situation for diagnostic centers as well as our visitors. So if you make an offer to them which is minimum of 20% discount, you can get lead for them, and the lead provides the name, email address, phone number, area and city of the person. So how do you start? So you need to create these offers. So you start here with your first offer. So this is my diagnostic center name, and let's say I want to provide an offer for 2D echo. Let's say my price is 2500 and I'm offering 20% discount. So that will make my offer price to be 2000 rupees. So let's say I want to increase that price to 30%. So my offer price would be 750. And I know my city is this, and this is the cost which I will pay for every lead collected. So whenever I get an email with the customer name, age, email, phone number and city, then you will be charged rupees 80 for that lead. So you start with this information and then you submit the lead for review. Now you have added an offer. So if you go into the advertising section, you can see that there's this offer, but this offer is right now in review. Means Merifee.com team will review it and enable it, but you need to make some payment in your account before that. We'll go to that later. Let's start by adding some more offers. So let's say I go to this, I make another offer for, let's say, CA 19.9 test, and my pricing is 1200. I want to offer a 30% discount, so discounted prices is 840. I want to offer it in Mumbai city. This is how my price will look, and I submit it for offers. Now I click in the advertising section. Now I see that I have to. Now the third step you need to take after adding all those tests is to make the payment. So you click on this link and click on make payment. Here currently we are running an offer, and this offer is only for the first payment of yours. So you can make any payment starting from rupees 100, 500, 1000, 5000, 10,000. But for your first payment, any amount you add into your account, please understand that it's a prepaid account. So let's say you add 5000 rupees into our account, we will give you 50% of that additional in your account. So if you add 5000, we'll give you 2500 additional. So you click on any of these links to go and add. So this will give you a credit of 5000 rupees in your account, and will give additional credit of 50% of that value. So you click on pay now, you enter your detail, and then you click on the next link. And please note that you can pay by credit card, by debit card, by net banking. Here you go and make your regular type of payment, and you click on this link and then you complete the payment. So after you make the payment, your offers would be made live, and you will be seeing leads on this leads page. For every lead, a unique offer code is sent to the end user, and that same email is sent to the diagnostic center owner as well on the email address which you have provided while registering. You can see the list of leads in the lead section and all the transactions in the transaction history. So this is it. If you need any more information, please feel free to write to us at cams@merifee.com. Thank you.